Okay, so the first question. All right, so it's asking you what kind of angle relationship do these two have. So look at this and look at this angle. They're in the same position, right? So if they're the same position, they are corresponding. So the answer to this one is corresponding. If they're corresponding, what do we know? This is the same. So if this is, so remember, right? If this is 10, how much is this? This is 10, this is 10, this is 10, right? So, sorry, not there. This is 10, right? So look at this one. This and this is the same thing as this and this. They're in the same position, so that means they're equal to each other. So when you set your equation now, you're going to write 7x plus 6 equals 6x plus 14. And that's my equation, right? Because they're equal to each other. Minus 6x minus 6x. And you're going to get x plus 6. This is bye-bye. And then plus 14. Minus 6 now. Minus 6. These crosses out. And x equals 14 minus 6 is 8. So how much is x? X equals 8. Question 2. So now, although I didn't finish, so I know x equals 8. So I can take this, right? 7 times 8 plus 6. 7 times 8 is 56 plus 6 equals 62. So the angle is 62, right? So which makes this also 62 because they're the same. Number 2, consider the parallel lines cut by a transversal below. What do we call these two? What kind of angle relation do these two label angles have? Well, they're not in the same position, right? So again, so if you look at this, this is A, this is A, this is B, this is B, right? Again, this is A, this is A, this is B, this is B. So we're looking at these two, right? 132, which is this one and this one. Are they the same? No, they're not the same. So when they're different, what do we know? So the name actually, this is the consecutive interior. Okay, and these are different, right? One is A and the other is B. So I know that 132 plus X plus 58 equals 180. Okay, so if I do this, I get 132 plus 58, right? Combine like terms. X plus 190 equals 180. Minus 190 minus 190. X is going to be negative 10. And that's okay, right? So if X is negative 10, I'll come back over here. I'm going to substitute. I'm going to write negative 10 plus 58. Right, so negative plus a positive. Who's going to win? The positive. So the answer is going to be 48. And that's how much the degrees is. Use a diagram below for questions 1 through 3. 1, 2, and 3. So all right, so which pair of angles are corresponding? So if you look at it, who's corresponding? Well, let me go back here. Corresponding is 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 4 and 8, 3 and 7. Is 1 and 2 corresponding? No. 2 and 5? No. 1 and 3? They're vertical. And 3 and 7? 3 over here and 7, right? That's the one we want. And then I'm going to read the question and keep the picture here. Number 2 says, which pair of angles are alternate interior? So who's your alternate interior? Your alternate interior is this, 3 and 5, or 8 and 2. Those are your alternate interior. So the correct answer would be 2 and 3, no. 2 and 8. 2 and 8, letter B. So for number 2, it's letter B. Number 3, which ones are alternate exterior? So alternate exterior is going to be 4 and 6, and 1 and 7. So those are your alternate exterior. So 1 and 4, no. 1 and 6, no. 4 and 6, 4 and 6, so the answer is C. Number 4 says right here, which angle is congruent to 6? which one angle is the same thing as 6? So let's just put a number down. So if 6 is, I'm going to make a number, is 20. This is 20. This is 20. And this is 20. So who's the same as angle 6? Is it 1? No. Is it 2? Yes. So angle 2, right? Because remember 2 and 6, they're the same. How about 5? 5 is a no, right? And then how about 7? 7 is a no. So the answer was B. Number 5. Which angle is not congruent to 1? So who's the same as 1? I'm going to circle everybody who's the same as 1. 1 and 3 are the same. And 5 and 7 are all the same. So 1, 3, 5, and 7, they're all the same. So who's not the same? 2, 4, 6, 8. So the answer would be, who's not the same as number 1? Angle 1 would be letter D. So 5 is D. And then letter number 6 says, if angle 2 is 132, how much is angle 7? Well, let's put this. This is 132. This is 132. This is 132. And this is 132, yeah? So how much is angle 7? Well, we know that this is 180, right? So 180 minus 132 equals 48. So this angle right here, angle 7, is 48. And then this guy is 48. This guy's 48. This guy's 48. So that's what I want you to do on that sheet. Okay. And let's stop right there.